Hello, Astros. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Incar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 3rd January current affairs. The topic is why voter ID linked with the Aadhaar to combat voter frauds. The topic comes under our mains GS2 effects of policy and politics developed and developing countries of India's interest, and the topic why it is in the news. In December 29, 2024, the Aam Aadmi Party and also Bharatiya Janata Party accused that each other manipulating for the Delhi electoral rolls in an attempt to win the Delhi Assembly election scheduled to be held in the February, while the AAP accused the BJP that submitting the application to the Election Commission of India to get the names and voters removed from the list of the strongholds. The BJP has claimed that AAP government is aiding the Rohingya immigrants to settle in the capital so that it can secure their votes yearly. So earlier, the Congress has accused the ECI the arbitrarily deleting the adding voters' names of the electoral rolls before the Maharashtra Assembly election. First of all, the linking voter ID with the other to combat voter fraud is a subject and significant debate. First of all, we must know what are the arguments in favor of linking voter ID with the other. First of all, that is a reduction in duplicate and fake voter ID is the main thing. First of all, the linking Aadhaar with the voter ID, it can definitely identify the and also remove the duplicate and fake entries, ensuring the integrity of the electoral rolls. And also there is a prevention of the multiple voting. It can prevent the individual from voting multiple times by registering in different constituency, and also there's a streamlining the electoral process. It simplifies voter identification verification, reducing the logistical challenges in the during the election period. So it will be very much helpful to reduce the time, and also it will be curbing the election manipulation, and also it ensure the accurate voter rolls. It minimize the opportunity to election rigging or malpractice, and also it boosts the definitely it boosts the trust of the public. The linking order with the voter ID can enhance the public confidence in the fairness, and also there is a transparency in the election. So these are the main important criteria. We can reduce the duplicate ID, we can prevent from the multiple voting, and also can we can reduce all the streamlined process during the electoral, and also we can curbing the manipulation, and also we can boost the trust of the public. These are the main criteria which is arguments in favor of linking Aadhaar with the that is the first of all, there's a privacy concern. The Aadhaar contains a sensitive biometric data that linking with the voter ID, it could lead to the misuse of the or the unauthorized surveillance, and also there is a risk of exclusion. There is a errors of the other mismatches between the voter ID and also other data can be lead to a eligible voter being excluded from the electoral process. The third thing is legal and constitutional issues. That is, critics argue that the compulsory linking may infringe on citizens' fundamental rights, such as the right to privacy and the right to vote. And also, there is many implemented challenges there because India is a very vast population, and also there's a logical complexities might result in the error and the delays, and with the linking voter IDs with the other. And finally, there is a potential for the misuse of the centralizing sensitive data that raises the risk of data breaches, and also there is an exploitation, so the political or commercial purpose. So these are the main criteria which is against the voter ID with the other linking. That is a privacy concern, that is a exclusion in the risk, and also there's a legal constitutional issue. Maybe the implemented challenges very much high, and also there's a potential misuse. These are the main consideration, and also we have to find the implementation. How to find? We can do some works, that is a voluntary with mandatory linking, that is offering author ID linking as a voluntary option. Maybe it might address some concerns about the coercion, and also there is a exclusion, and also we must do the robust safeguards, that is a strong data protection law, and measure must be implemented to prevent the misuses of the breaches. And also we can do the error resolution mechanism, that is an effective grievance redress mechanism. The redressal can be implemented for this thing should be definitely place a handle of errors, and also there is a linking of voter exclusion, and also there is a awareness campaign is required. There is a public awareness, whatever the thing we need to create the awareness of the people Then only they can educate the voters about the benefits and safeguarding the, we should definitely address these kind of things. So we should give the awareness campaigns, awareness programs to educate the public. These are the success of a measure depends on how well the government addresses these concerns. There is a privacy, inclusion, and implementation while ensuring with the linking process. Thank you so much.